Hey there, Sparkrock community. We're back with more new features included in Sparkrock Ed HRP version 5.2.2550. This release updates T4 and T4A XML generation to comply with the CRA 2026 XML schema so you're ready for year-end filings in early 2026. See the release notes for more information on that. The rest of this video will be for our friendly Manitoba customers. We've added Manitoba-specific statutory deductions and pension configurations. So in this video, we're going to show the configuration changes to support the health and post-secondary education tax levy and demonstrate support for the Teachers Retirement Allowances Fund. Let's get started. Manitoba requires employers to pay the Health and Post-Secondary Education Tax Levy, or HE Levy. This release enables automatic calculation and configuration. If the province for a Sparkrock Ed HRP customer is set to Manitoba, the menus and configuration screens will change. For example, on the Payroll tab under Board, this option will be renamed to CPP, EIC, WCB, HE Levy to reflect that this has Manitoba-specific settings. When you create a new entry or modify an existing one, there's a new HE Levy section where you can select the expense and liability accounts and the current HE Levy rate. Now when you process payroll, the UI and reports will display HE Levy for Manitoba customers. Teaching staff in Manitoba are required to contribute to the Teachers Retirement Allowance Fund, or TRAF. We'll start with going to the HR tab, then Board Control, General Tables, Miscellaneous Code Maintenance, and filtering to the PD code type for pension deductions. Make sure there's a TRAF pension code. Then on the Payroll tab, go to Board, Pension Deductions, and create a TRAF pension deduction with the correct start date and liability count and the correct employee and employer percentages for TRAF. Once that's done, the pension deduction needs to be added to the employee. This can be done on the Payroll tab under Employee Pension Deductions, or it can be done in bulk by going to Employee, Default Deduction Assignment, and setting Add Default Deductions to Employees to Yes. If you need assistance with this, contact a support team or work with your implementation consultant. Also under Group Data, Subject Entity Maintenance, new entries need to be added for TRAF as seen here. Once this is done, when payroll is run, a TRAF deduction will appear on the pay statements and other payroll reports. That's a wrap on Sparkrock Ed HRP version 5.2.2550. See the release notes for more details on the CRA changes and more Manitoba-specific pension plans. We're always enhancing federal and provincial compliance for Sparkrock Ed HRP, and this release is no exception. Thanks so much for watching.